Hi techies, have you ever tested an electronic circuit? Then here is a chance for you to ignite your passion for electronics and circuit designing. At Tecky Summer Camp, we dive deep into the world of electronics using cutting-edge technology tools. Our students learn to visualize and design the complex circuits lying for the foundation for the journey into the electronics. From schematic diagrams to PCB layouts, our students master the art of circuit design. They learn the basic of component selection, placement, ensuring the circuits are both functional and efficient. But we don't just stop at the design theory. Our students roll up their sleeves and dive into the practical skills of testing, heating, etching, and soldering process. They gain the valuable hands-on experience and prepare them for the real-world challenges. With precision and accuracy, our students test their PCBs, ensuring every component is in place and every connection is secure. This verifies the output of their circuits, celebrating the success as lights blink and buzzers sound. So if you are ready to spark, be creative in the world of electronics. Join us at Tecky Summer Camp 2024. Together, let's design the circuits that will power our innovations for tomorrow. Teckybot, where future meets innovation.